request our respected director, ma'am, to the stage to felicitate the members of the Student Council with badges and sashes. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected head boy, Vivek Rathi, for the investiture ceremony, followed by other council members. Vivek, the head boy, has been in the school since nursery. He is a talented young boy who strongly believes in teamwork. He is an excellent orator, mature and a responsible boy. He has bagged first position in inter-school science quiz and many medals like gold, silver and bronze in science, maths and computer olympiad. During the tenure of his assistant head boy post, he always performed his duty diligently and sincerely.
Now I call upon newly elected head girl, Sakshi Chauhan. Sakshi has been in the school since UKG. She is an active and optimistic girl who always looks on the brighter side of life. She is an excellent sports person who has participated in many sports competitions like handball and netball, even at state level. She is an all-rounder, not only in sports but also in co-curricular activities. She is an achiever. Bagged first prize in Gusto Inter-School Dance Competition, second position in Inter-House Dance Competition, and last but not the least, she was Deputy Head Girl in the previous session.
And next comes our newly elected Assistant Head Boy, Rishikesh Banerjee. He has been in this school since nursery. He has a multi-faceted personality with exemplary auditory skills. He is a proud recipient of Atul Medal in Class 1. He has a long list of achievements in his account. He has received 12 gold medals in various Olympiads, 11th All India rank in talent search for maths and science. Apart from academics, he is an excellent dancer who mesmerizes the audience with his spectacular dance performances.
And now comes our another new member, Assistant Head Girl, Khushi Sharma. Khushi has been in the school since Class 1. She has all the leadership qualities. She is also a passionate learner. She has not only excelled herself in sports but in dance as well. She has participated in netball and discus throw, even at state level tournaments.
Now I call upon our sports captain Vivek Kataria and Yashika respectively. I now request school sports in charge Ms. Renu to hand over the sports flag to ma'am, who in turn would hand it over to our school sports captains Vivek and Yashika. School sports captain boys Vivek has joined the school in class nursery. He is a bold and brave boy. He is an extraordinary player who represented the school in different cricket tournaments and always made the institution proud by winning positions and brought laurels to the school.
Our school sports captain girls, Yashika. Yashika joined the school in nursery, academics, sports, co-curricular activities, what not. She is one of the gem of APMS. She has participated at district as well as state level competitions in handball and basketball matches. And she is also proud recipient of Best Sports Person Award in Class 8.
Now, vice sports captain.
Now we have vice sports captains Tanuj and Sarita on the stage. Vice sports captain boys, Tanuj. Tanuj has been in the school since nursery. He is an exceptionally good sports person. He has such a good teamwork spirit in him, which provides a spark to other team members too. Vice sports captain girl, Sarita. Sarita is in the school since class nursery. She is a passionate, sports person. She has proudly represented the school in netball tournament at district and state level. She has a sweet voice and had won first prize in inter-school singing competition. She has bagged 2 gold medals in Taekwondo too. Now I invite house captains for the investiture ceremony, and let us begin with our first house, Subhash House. I now call upon Just Kamal and Bhavna on the stage. I request Subhash House in charge, Ms. Rachel, to hand over the house flag to ma'am, who would in turn hand it over to Subhash House captains. Subhash House captain boys, Just Kamal Singh. Just Kamal is here since LKG. Just Kamal is multi-talented boy who participated in many dance competitions like Gusto Inter-School Dance Competitions and bagged 2nd position. He has received 3rd position in Fast and Furious Dance Competition too. Subhash House Captain Girls, Bhavna. Bhavna is in the school since LKG. A very active girl, Bhavna has always led her house from front. She has represented the school in handball at state level. She always participates in different activities conducted at school level. And now we have Subhash House Vice Captain Boys, Vedansh. Vedansh has been in the school since nursery. He is a proud winner of cyber, maths and science